Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September the 7th, 2022, and we're about to look at our starfruit trees. Also, I have this new camera, so I'm testing it out. Let's see what it's made of. Alright, so if we look at the starfruit that are on this tree, they look very, very ripe. So I'm going to zoom in just a bit. Whoa, that was a lot. So that looks very nice. I think they're about ready to pick. Let's look at this one. This one's not quite ready. It still has green on the edges. Doesn't look quite orange like this one. Let's look at this one over here. This one looks kind of orangey, so I would say it's close to ready. These two over here are doing okay, but they're not quite ready. What we need is a little bit more rain. There's some up there and a whole bunch of flowers. So these guys are going to probably produce going into the fall. That's what this is an indication of. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these starfruits. Have a great day.